Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily import models into Blender. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have Blender open with your project ready to go. Importing models is super simple once you know the steps. Next, head to the top left corner. Click on File. And then click on the Import. Here, you'll see various file types you can choose from. Pick the one that matches your model file. In my case, I will go with STL. Now, navigate to the folder where your model is saved. Once you've found it, just double-click the file. And voila! It'll appear in your Blender scene. And that's it. You've successfully imported a model into Blender. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.